our workout today. We'll be doing the annual Memorial Day Murph workout. Murph goes like this. For time, it is a 1 mile run, followed by 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats, finishing with a mile run. The prescribed version of this workout is to wear a 20-pound weight vest, and that is for both men and women. The gymnastics movements in the middle of the workout can be partitioned any way you like. So classically, it would be something like 20 rounds of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 squats. But again, you can choose to partition those movements however you like. Let's talk about some modifications for you to be able to perform this workout at home. The run. If you are not able to run or not able to map out a run and do not have another piece of exercise equipment like a bike or a rowing machine, we have a recommended option for you. So instead of 1 mile run, you could perform 50 broad jumps, followed by 100 jumping jacks, followed by 100 mountain climbers, and finally 100 lateral hops over an object. So the idea behind the list that I just said would be to perform all of those movements for the first mile run, and then that whole list again for the second mile run. Some modifications for the pull-up. If you do not have a pull-up bar available at home or any safe place to do a pulling movement, we would recommend something like a bent row, something on the lighter side depending on the equipment that you have, so that you can complete 100. Now, overall scaling options for this workout, there's a lot of volume done here. So a classic scaling method would be to do a half Murph, meaning kick it off with an 800-meter run, do half of the reps of the gymnastics movements in the middle, followed by an 800-meter run. There are plenty of other scaling options for this workout. Let's say you can run the mile on the front and the back, but would like to reduce the gymnastics. That would be fine too. All right, you guys, happy Memorial Day. We look forward to hearing about your Memorial Day Murph. Make sure you let us know how you did.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Monday, Memorial Day. Gonna send you guys off with a quick warm-up to get us prepped for Murph. Started off, we have 5 sets, 10 jumping jacks, and 5 burpees. Just get that blood flowing. All right, from there, we're gonna do some mobility. Our first stretch is going to be a pigeon pose. We'll get about 30 seconds on each leg. From here, we'll push back into a cactus stretch, kind of stretch out our chest a little bit. From there, we're going to push back into a cat stretch, get those arms extended overhead. In our last stretch, we're going to stand up and get a squat and fold. All right, moving on, our last portion, we're going to do 3 rounds. We're going to start with 15 hollow and 15 arch rocks, just to get that core prime. Get ready for the pull-ups. From there we have 12 air squats, followed by 9 sprawls and 6 renegade rows. All right, you guys, get after it.